Hi everyone, my name is Jocelyn Resendiz, and in this video I'll be explaining and showing you how to use Piktochart. I'll also be showing you how Piktochart can be used as part of an instruction strategy in your classroom. So here's the site for Piktochart, and your login is at the top right. So once you log in, it'll bring you to your dashboard, which shows all your projects that you have in progress or projects that you have finished already. So it'll show you the dashboard icon. So under that you have infographic, presentation, and printable. Infographic is a template where you can relay information about certain topics. The presentation format is just like PowerPoint, but instead it's a smaller ratio of slides per presentation. And lastly, there's a printable format, which is just like the infographic, but smaller and can be used for posters, reports, and flyers. And all Piktochart is used to present information to people. So I'm just going to click on presentation here so that I can show you guys how it's used. So some features of the tool is that you have the choice to create your own project, which is the first choice they give you, but they also give you templates that they have already created. So if you wanted to make a presentation, you can just use one of their templates and change it in a way that you want it, or you can make your own. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this education basic one, and I'm going to use the template. So it starts you off in the graphics tab. So here it gives you shapes and icons, animated icons, lines, photos, and photo frame. So under shapes and icons, it gives you the option to change of what other shape and icon you want. So if I wanted anything from like sports, it'll go ahead and give me all these different icons that I can go ahead and add to my project. And then the animated icon is actually part of the Pro package of Piktochart. There's also lines, photos. Through here, it gives you like different photos. You can choose like education photos, and they have a whole bunch. And then they also have photo frame, which if you add this in, you can actually put your own photo into the frame. And that's through graphics. If you do uploads, you can upload any photo from your computer. Backgrounds is just different backgrounds for your presentation. So if I wanted stars, I can click on stars, and yeah, it just changes the slide that you're working on. So if I were to scroll down, it doesn't change the background of my other slide. It just changes the one to the first one that I'm working on. Through text, it gives me different subtitle and font sizes. I also have text frame, which is just a frame and you can change the wording in it. Color scheme is just different colors that you can use for your presentation. So there's like original, professional, casual, creative, and chic. And then through tools, it gives you charts, which you can actually make on the site so you're not copying and pasting anything from Excel. There's also maps, which you can choose anything that is listed here, and you can edit the map yourself, and you can make the lines different colors so that it outlines better for your presentation. And there's also a videos link, so you can link something from YouTube and have it straight onto your presentation. So I have an SLO, which is students will summarize a major event through continuity and change over time using sequential order. And for this, I would have the students use Piktochart, the presentation format, to present this. I would want them to have events leading up to it, which can clearly be used. They can have information here and continue so that the ending is the end result of which event it led up to. So through Piktochart, students don't necessarily have to use presentation. They can also make an infographic and just see how things led up to the major event. And through this tech tool, I think it can be used for all subjects. It can be used for math, it can be used for English, science. It just doesn't have to be history. It's connected to all subjects. So in all, I think Piktochart can be used very well in education. Thank you guys.